Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you've already been here, ya tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. That means you already know you're part of the family. Today's video, I'm hella excited because we're gonna be putting bottle to bottle the sister. As you guys know I love my Kylie Jenner concealers. They're really good on the skin moisturizer. If you have dry skin, they just work for me. They made it. I was like, girl, you do your thing. So recently, like Kim Kardashian came out with her own, and I decided to purchase them. My first purchase, it was wrong. I bought the wrong shades, so I didn't like the way they went on, and I went and bought the other color that I felt like I was missing. I was gonna give you guys a review, and I thought about it, and I was like, well, you like the Kylie's really good. You just do a bottle to sisters, and let's see which one wins. So we're gonna be that witness of this situation. We're gonna put him to works. This little head swing needs to relax. We're gonna put him to bottle to see which one works better. And yeah, so let's get started with this situation. In my face, head, relax. I already have moisturizer, primer, all that good stuff. I don't have corrector, so I'm gonna go ahead and correct my face with my MAC. What is this? I use this every day and I still don't know the name. I have like 20 breakouts on my skin today. I went out last night and I was so tired that I didn't take off my makeup. I know that's like #1 rule. And I woke up with 20 pimples. So let's welcome them. Hello, hi pimples, how are you? I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with a little brush. Okay, KKW, we got the corrector going on. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. I love this foundation so much. The concoction that I use is the 334. I do like maybe 2 pumps of it. And then make sure you shake it before you apply it, and then 2 pumps of the dark one, and I just mix it together, and that's the color that I get. I love how thick this foundation is, like it covers everything. It's bomb. So we're gonna put it evenly all over. Grabbing this booty blender right here, literally a booty blender. This sponge is by Elsie Cosmetics on Instagram. I love this sponge so much. I love this foundation too. It's just perfect. Big pump. And remember, when you have your hair up, make sure you do your ears, because we don't want the ears looking a different color. One time I did that and I was like, yo, your ears are a different color. You should put a makeup there. Okay. I love this foundation so much. My gosh. My hair is up. I probably look like a mushroom right now. I have a big old head, so don't mind. I just didn't want to put a wig on. I'm like, we're doing this video with your hair up. If it's un cabezón, you have to deal with it. All right, so here come the bottle of the sisters. I'm gonna be using 13 and 12 on this side. This is the KKW. And then for the Kylie side, we're gonna be using Almond and Shy. So we're gonna see. You guys know I have to start with my concealing color. This is the color Almond for Kylie. I really love these concealers, guys. All right, and then the KKW, we're gonna put 13. Oh, this one's a little brighter. Ooh, hopefully it looks the same, because I'm going somewhere and I'm gonna be with 2 different eye tones. When I first bought the concealers, I bought color 11 and 12, and they were just too light for me. So I was like, this is not gonna work, and I don't want to do the review and not like it because I didn't pick the right shades. So I wanted to give it a second try, so I just purchased this one that just came in. Still look a little highlighted, but yeah, these are my concealing colors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Grab booty blender. Here we go. We're gonna tackle Kylie's side. The Kylie side literally just melted into my skin, and I love that. Nice. Switch the booty blender, and we're gonna tackle this Kim K number 13. I see that the 13 is a little more pinkish and it highlights at the same time. Let me see the cancels though. Oh, and it did cancel like the dark circles, and that's what I was looking for, but it did highlight at the same time. I like that. Okay. And also very easy to blend out. No hard problems. The last time when we reviewed the sticks, those sticks were a nightmare. I was like, no. So far what I see, there is a color difference. The Kylie just melted into my skin and just correct. The Kim Kardashian, the KKW is a little more pinkish. It did conceal, so I like that. And it highlight a little. I don't know how the camera is going through, but on my mirror, it just looks a little pinkish. But it's cool. It's not bad because I'm gonna add the highlight on top. You know what I mean? All right, so that part, we passed it. Now we go with the Kylie side. We're gonna go in with Shy. This is the highlight color. We're gonna highlight, honey. There it is. And then we're grabbing number 12 by KKW. Oh, so now the Kylie looks a little more pinkish and the KKW is more yellow. So hopefully it looks the same at the end because I'm going somewhere out with this and we don't want to be looking different. The one feels the same. I love the one because it just kind of goes, you know, you don't have to force it, doesn't scratch or anything. I think every concealer should have this one, and even lip glosses. Yeah, you guys see the different shades, tones. What should we highlight the nose with? I think I'm gonna do it with the KKW because you guys already know how the Kylie works for me. So we're gonna highlight the rest of the face with KKW. Vamos a darle un chance. Chin right here, a little in the upper lip. Okay, they're completely two different tones, but we're gonna see after we set and everything how it looks. I'm gonna use my booty blender. This one is the LC sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the rest of the stuff. Oh, that blended out really good. Then go back with the booty part to diffuse it so there's not like a highlight there. You know what I mean? The nose. Make sure you mix the colors. There you go. It blended good. It blended really, really good. Love it. Okay, so here we're gonna go tackle KK. I just want to see how this is gonna blend out. Hopefully it doesn't dry on the skin. Ooh, it blend out. Ooh, it blend out beautifully. Wow, and it highlighted. I like it, okay. Because when I first got them, guys, I was a little thrown off because I got the wrong colors. I thought those colors 11 and 12 were gonna be it. When I got it, it was a little too light. Like the one didn't conceal me, so I was like, I can't make the review because the colors that I use is not normally this. And I wanted to give it a fair shot, you know what I mean? I just didn't want to be like, oh, I don't like it, kind of thing. So that blended out beautiful. KK, you do your thing. Now we're gonna switch it to Kylie. You guys already know how Kylie works. Really, really good. Oh, but I'm seeing more highlight situation with the Kylie. All right. This is how it looks blend out. What do we feel? What do we think? What do we like? I have a favorite. I think I have a favorite already. But no, let me set it and then I'll tell you guys if I have a favorite or not. But they both blend out beautifully. I ain't mad at it. Let's set it out. I do have the KKW powders. I don't know if I want to set it with that or I want to do my Laura Mercier to be fair. I did try Bake 3, her yellow one, and I did not like it. It was too white. Like it was like a mess. So I went and bought the number 4 so I could mix them to see if it works. So should we use this or we should keep it how it is normal? And I don't know. You know what? We're gonna use the KKW. Let's highlight with KKW in both of the sides. Let's see what happened. I mixed it and I made it look like this is 4 and 3 mixed together. So here we go. Okay, that looks good. Switch it to the other side. All right. Mixing it together, it look good. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me get a closer mirror. Hold on. It does look a little drying, but when you're cooked underneath your eyes with any other powder, it is drying. So we're gonna see the magic after we fix plus everything, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. It doesn't look different tones. I was scared that it was gonna look different tones. It looks here in the camera and in the mirror, it looks kind of like the same. So here comes the true. We're gonna Fix Plus it to just see how it melts on the skin and everything. And I kind of like it. Ugh. We're gonna see how they wear out. We're gonna do the wear out test because I want to see which one is better. Because so far right now, both of them are going head to head, and I wasn't expecting that because the first time that I tried the KK, I don't want to be talking about KKK over here. I'm just gonna call it a Kim Kardashian, not KKW, because that confuses me. My English is just too crazy. The first time that I tried, gotta like go back to my mente, rewind. So the first time that I tried the Kim Kardashian concealers, it was all bad. Like I was like, what is this? Because the colors that I picked, it was just not working with my skin tone. And now that I have on the correct ones, I'm feeling it. Like I'm mad at it. Like I'm like, it's cute, and both of them are just going head to head. I'm gonna be using this, what is it, True Complexion, what brand is this? Black Radiance contour and highlight palette. I'm gonna contour this face, honey, give myself a little bit of brown sub because we need it. Because this face look a little flat right now. I'm gonna apply a little blush. This is like an orangey tone. It's discontinued. It was by the Villain collection by MAC. It's one of my favorite blushes, but they don't make it anymore. Something orangey. I like orangey blushes. I always have. We're gonna hit it with the highlight. My old school, this one here discontinued, but this is the concussion that I like using when I use the Irisbeilin highlight with the Anastasia brush. Yes. Irisbeilin highlight. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Button nose. Ooh, button nose alive, come through. Yes. A little up here. Why not? Cute, cute. And then we're gonna melt it away. You guys know, Tasha, just a little sprinkling in the corners of the face. For the lips, we're gonna use cork lip liner like always. Line them up, line them up. The funny thing, my lips are already naturally this color before I even pintármelos. Well, not the whole lip, like outside of it is already cork color. We're gonna use the Kim Kardashian lipstick, this nudie situation. I really like this nudie situation, like really. Ooh, I love this nudie situation. The smell is a little strong, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna use her lip. Should we use this lip gloss? Yes. I'm gonna use Juicy. This is the Kim Kardashian lip gloss, just on top. Oh, that's cute. Love the one. Love the one. Oh, that's pretty. All right, so this is how my face look like. I love it. Like, I don't see any difference in the concealer. You guys see a difference? It looks good. I'm like, the sisters are going head to head, and I love it. My face looks cute. All right, so I'm gonna go by my day because I have some toast to do today. I got some stuff to do today. And then I'm gonna be back and show you guys what the difference. See if one crack, one didn't. If they stay, they look the same. Twins is what's going on. What's up, what's good? I'm just too much. I'll be back. All right, mi gente, so we are back after 5 hours. I can't do it any more longer. I was planning to say like 1 in the morning, but I'm exhausted. And I'm like 11:25 it is right now. The time that I put my concealer on, it was 6. So in total, it's 5.5 hours kind of thing. I'm like that. And this is how we look like. Okay, what do I have to say? Should I bring you guys a little closer? All right, so we are close in person, and you guys can see all my mistakes in life in my face right now. You see this pores? Woo, pores popping. If you guys could tell, this creasing underneath my eyes is like crazy. It still looks the same. There's no difference. I did notice that La Kim K got a little more oily than Kylie, but it's not like a huge difference. The creasing, I think, has a lot to do with this little powder right here, because when I do my Laura Mercier, it creases, but not this much. So I don't know if I like this powder. I'm gonna try it different. I just did a Cardi B face. Let me take that off. I think we're gonna stick with my Laura Mercier. I'm gonna try next time with Laura Mercier, and then I'll tell you guys like on Snapchat or like Instagram. Let me back you guys up because you guys are too close to my mistakes right now. Back up, girl, back up. But I do have to say, La Kim K craves more than Kylie because Kylie's more moisturizery. La de Kim K, it's very matte. So maybe that's why they look the same to me. Like, and I do a lot of face expressions like this. I need to stop doing that because I'm gonna turn really, really old. I need to get Botox in all this situation. But it wasn't a big difference. I still like my Maybelline concealer. I think that's my new favorite. And also a different in this too is the sizing difference. We have Kylie right here that is $20 and it has way more product than the Kim that is $18 and it's this little mini size right here. So you go run through it so fast if you wear makeup every day. So the question is, do I recommend the concealer? Do I recommend you pay KW concealer? Si tú quieres, tú lo compras. Si no lo quieres, no lo compres. I'm gonna make a use of it. I like how it went on. I'm gonna try it with a different powder. It's not a bag of a product, it's just getting little. But it's cute. If you get my opinion, it's cute. We're just gonna keep it there. It's cute. And you guys' opinions, who won? Comment below and let me know. I wanna know. My opinion, Kylie won. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and let me know who won. Don't forget to subscribe also. Be part of the crazy familia. What are you waiting for? And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Ciao. Besitos.